welcome back to my channel. I'm Desirable for those who do know. And just saying hello because I haven't been on YouTube for about, 2 weeks since the last video I posted my Get Ready With Me. So I'm just coming in to check in and say hello, see how you guys are. Right now, got out of the shower and I washed my hair because I'm going to be doing it tomorrow. But that's not why I got on camera. I got on camera to tell you guys that I have moved. Yay, I've got my own apartment. And I mean, this is not an apartment tour, but I just wanted to come on and give you guys a little life update and where I've been, because I haven't posted in about 2 weeks, and it's I want to get consistent, but I've been in the process of moving, and it's just been a lot going on for the last 2 weeks. So I just wanted to come on and just say, I'm okay. Hello to all my new subscribers. I have gained some new subscribers since I last posted. Okay, you guys, let's go. Okay, guys, I said I didn't come on here to give you guys an apartment tour, but I end up giving you guys an apartment tour anyways. We're like a mini tour. So enjoy. Bye.